Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. I'm very glad. Thank you. Happy weekends to all of us. Thank you for the new subscriber. That's what I have. Thank you so much talaga. That's what I'm telling him, just to say always thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for what we do. Thank you to all of us. Thank you to all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters. So always to say thank you. Thank you very much that you are still supported in my simple and small channel that what I have, especially to all of us, that you are still helping and watching and comments, like and share for everything that you are given. Thank you very much. Thank you so much to the whole family of my angkan to angkan, to the family in my hometown. So thank you very much talaga, that you are always giving a time, especially to some bloggers that you're still supporting and helping to my channel. Thank you so much talaga. And to my amo, to my employer, thank you so much. For the family of Madam, the family of Sir, the old friends of my Madam and Sir, to Sisi, and to our future, and to future BB come into may mga amo. Thank you very much talaga. And the some blogger that you are already in the high standard of their individual channel that they have. Good luck and more blessings. Ingatan yung mabuti yung mga channel na meron kayo, kasi yun ay blessings from God above, kung all efforts that you are doing para magiging ganon yung channel na meron kayo. And some channel that I'm also supported with them. Good luck talaga, good luck. And to all people in this world, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, that we are belong in the different, we are not the same in the nationalities, that we are only connected through in the social media, in the different social media. Kaya thank you very much sa hometown ko, sa angkan of my mother and my father's side, soul to my one remaining brother that I have. Alam mo, brother, of course, for the cousins, relatives, mga co-workers, mga childhood, mga kababata, mga batchmate. I have only my one brother, that what I have. To my own nieces, mga apo-apo sa tuhod, thank you sa mga cares, sa mga prayers na lagi niya akong naaalala, lalo na sa hometown ko. Hindi mo, we are all even nahirap na tayong magkikita bawat isa, but continue pa rin through sa social media nga nakakonect gihapon kita. So thank you very much, and God bless us all. Ayun lang, hindi ko na kasi ma-mention lahat na nagiging party kayo sa journey ko while I'm still living in this earth as a OFW. So thank you YouTube company, YouTube staff, YouTube workers, YouTube founder, thank you, and some of the another also belong in the social media. So thank you so much talaga. God bless us all. Happy weekends, and keep safe lagi. And God provide everything, whatever we need. Thank you.